This video is going to introduce a couple of cool new features on our Neat board, our 65-inch interactive all-in-one display with the camera, speaker, microphone built in. We've got USB pass-through and USB touchback. I spoke recently in another video about USB pass-through on our Neat bar. The Neat board has a couple of little differences with the added benefit of USB touchback, which allows you to control your laptop if you have a Windows or Linux laptop connected to the Neat board. So I'll show you how to get started with those two features. So on the Neat board, you can see on this diagram we have two connections. It's the HDMI that goes into the 4K local input and a USB-C connection, which you connect a USB-C cable to the board, and that can be a USB-C to USB-C cable or a USB-C to USB-A cable, which is what I'm using today. So I'll show you my cables here. I've got a HDMI 2.1 and a USB 3.1, so high quality, good spec cables. I've also got a dongle here. So that's got a HDMI, USB-C and USB-A connection. The USB-C doesn't pass through video, so I'm using the HDMI and the USB-A, and I have a USB-C connection on the front here. This just allows me to have one connection connected to my laptop, so you could leave a dongle permanently tethered on your meeting room table. So I've got Device Manager on my Windows laptop, so just keep an eye on that. I've got the camera and the audio sections open. I'll just connect my USB-C cable there. That will connect and put the Neat board into USB pass-through mode. And you can see there I've got echo cancelling speakerphone twice, one's a microphone, one's a speaker for the Neat board, and I've got my Neat board camera. So as far as USB pass-through is concerned, that's it. If you were to use WebEx, GoToMeeting, any other meeting provider, you would be able to select the Neat board's speaker, camera, microphone for your laptop and use the Neat board in your meeting room with other people. And you also get the added benefit of Neat Symmetry, which is built into the hardware smarts of our devices, a feature you wouldn't normally get using any other meeting provider. So that's an added benefit. As far as USB touchback goes, now that we're connected, I can literally use the Neat board as a massive touchscreen. So great for collaboration. Your laptop doesn't have to have a touchscreen itself, so this just works. It's amazing. You plug it in. I've got Microsoft Whiteboard here, but any application, if you want to do markups, if you had a PDF editing tool or any kind of application that you wanted to collaborate on in your meeting room, this will work. Here's all my whiteboards. Let's just pick this first one. Let that load. And there you go. So say I just wanted to annotate over a floor plan here. We could just say we want to have VC there. We want to have a Neat pad there, etc., etc. So you can just make whatever markups you want. Yeah, super handy feature. Minimize that, close that. And then to disconnect, you simply unplug your two cables, or if you're using a dongle like I am, the one cable. The Neat board will re-establish its native application. In this case, we're using Zoom Rooms. It also works with Microsoft Teams Rooms if it was configured in that configuration. And the Neat board will just sort itself out, get back up and running, and then we're back in action for our normal Zoom meetings or Microsoft Teams meetings if that's what you have configured. So yeah, that's our USB pass-through on the Neat board and USB touchback.